Goa Health Minister Vishwajit Rane shares important update on 8th August 2020. The Health Minister informs about the rapid antigen test which has begun in Community Health Center in Valpai. Here's what Goa Health Minister Vishwajit Rane shared on social media. To ensure we get speedy test results, happy to inform that Community Health Center in Valpai has begun rapid antigen testing. The turnaround time for the same is within 30 minutes. Our team is working hard to keep Goa safe and we are committed to the welfare of every citizen of the state of Goa. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.